Trooper, are we going to the boat? Today's gorgeous. It's 62. The conditions are perfect and we're just gonna have some fun. There's the captain and the first mate. First mate Trooper-doo. Greatest beer run ever!
This is Chris, and I'm Cindy, and this is our salty dog Trooper and our salty kitty Stella, and we've got some salty tales to tell you. So make sure you continue watching and also click the subscribe button so you don't miss any in the future.
Trooper, are we going to the boat? Are we going to the boat? Are you excited? Yes, you are. I figured I'd give you a little glimpse of what it looks like when we're trying to leave for the weekend to go to the boat. So, filling the portable generator. That's my sexy husband. Pack in, we got food, clothing. Chris packed his own bag, so we'll get to see what he wears this weekend. Waters, Troopers, and Stella saw me packing the food and took off and hid. The boat kitty. So she's not coming. She prefers to stay home alone instead of coming with us. She'll have to get used to it, but I'm not forcing it right now. Right, Chris?
That's right.
You're doing a great job.
Thanks.
You're welcome. How many gallons does that hold?
All of it.
Good answer.
I have no idea, actually.
Doofus. Let's see if it says. No, I don't see it. That's kind of dumb. Do not overfill tank, but we're not going to tell you how much. Oh, wait. Nope. I guess you just don't overfill it, but you don't know how much. How do you know when to stop?
When you see it come to the top.
And that's not overfilling?
No, you don't want to go over the top.
You're over the top. Oh, somebody got in my seat. What are you doing, Trooper? Hello? We have this new training collar for Trooper because he's not so good all the time on the leash when there's other dogs. So we're working on it with him. We'll see. Are you ready, Pooper Duper? Are you excited? Are we gonna go to the boat? We're gonna go to the boat. Do you have the key?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Chris.
Oh, yeah. Quite the, what the heck is that?
All with Window Nation. This month, buy
my
two
God.
windows, get two free.
If you ever get in a car after Chris drove it, you're gonna have a freaking rock concert playing on the radio when you're getting in it.
Or normal volume, because Cindy likes to keep the music at morgue level. Actually, I think it's higher at the morgue.
You're gonna be in the morgue if you keep it up.
Who are you hiring?
No, I'm scrappy. I'll do it.
I'd pay good money for that.
Are you scared, Trooper? Are you scared? He's scared because Chris is vacuuming. We are vacuuming the schmutz that's coming out of our central air conditioning. So we need to get the ductwork cleaned. It's gross. Are you a good boy? You are a good boy. You're doing a great job, buddy. our lungs. Yay. So if you watch our channel, you've probably been following like our story about the air conditioning and the problems that we've had with it working. And so we have one unit that's stuck at 65 degrees. Doesn't get warmer, doesn't get colder, and we're not comfortable with that temperature. It's very, very cold. And then the other unit, the panel doesn't work. We had one of the panels repaired, and then as soon as we reconnected it, it shorted out again. So the units themselves are bad, and they're very inefficient, and they're very old. They're original to the boat, so 1993. So we priced out new units, for 2 new units, energy efficient, can run on solar. If we install them, it's 10 grand. If we have somebody else install them, it's 15. So, or no, was it 5? It was 5 grand if we bought them. I think I found them for 5. But anyway,
Like that.
yeah, it was on our list. We were thinking about doing it over the winter. Then I lost my job in July, and the job market's crazy because I work remotely. It's really hard to find another job. So anyway, I've been 3 months without work. Very, you know, like strict with the budget right now because obviously that's a lot of money that's not coming in anymore. So that project is waiting. But when we replace that, we're either going to replace the ductwork. Chris says it'll be easy. Or I'm saying we should just have somebody come and clean it. So if anybody has had their ductwork cleaned on their boat and thinks that it was a good move, let us know. Otherwise, if you think we're stupid, or I'm stupid for coming up with that thought, and we should just get new ductwork put in or put it in, let us know. I feel like it's going to be a hard project. Well, not hard, but just very time consuming. Chris says it'll be easy. Right? We're getting this on record.
Yeah, I mean, there'll be some parts that'll be a little bit difficult, but
Yeah.
it's really not. It's not like it's a long run.
So it's not like running wires.
Well, kind of is similar, but
Well, isn't like the one thing you hate the most on working on boats is running wires?
yeah, it's not fun. You get your arms all screwed up. But
So I'm just thinking if we could
so
get
like we had to replace this one. You pull the refrigerator out, and it just runs there behind the closet to there.
or we
And,
could
the
just
hardest one that would
have
be,
them cleaned.
would be the one in the bathroom. But I mean, that one doesn't stink. But this one goes
It's not a matter
right
of
here
stinking. I
to
want
there,
the
and it
air
wires
to
into
be clean.
downstairs. So it's really not that big a deal. But I mean, I'm also like thinking about possibly, you know, like a custom AC system.
We're not doing that. No. We have no time. No time. We're not doing that. No, I'm going to get a job and make enough money so we can just get a new AC unit and not hack it. I don't want to mess around with it, Chris. Everyone's winterizing their boats today and we are not. Look at this. Everybody. Winterizing, oil changes, packing up, leaving. And once again, we're doing our thing. We're staying in. We're not staying till December, like last year. That was crazy. As you all know, if you're watching our channel, you saw we got canvas damage because we were in just such a rush and it was bad. So we are coming out the first week of November because, you know, in New England, you got to pull your boat out and winterize it. But today's gorgeous. It's 62. The conditions are perfect and we're just going to have some fun. Here's the captain and the first mate. First mate troubadour. How you doing, trooper? Still a lot of boats in for mid-October. So we're just heading to Duck Island, which is right out the mouth of our inlet and rafting up and watching football, but it was just too nice not to.
So this is an osprey nest. Ospreys are a bird that will build nests, and they return season after season every year to the same location, and they eat an exclusive fish diet. So they're pretty common in our area, and we see the nests everywhere, and sometimes we'll catch an osprey in one.
Set. We were getting set up and we realized there is a sailboat race that is cutting around the end of the rocks, like right in towards the anchorage, and they were like 10 feet from our boat, 5 feet, and I'm like, I'm not comfortable with that. What if their sails shift? I don't know. So we're moving a little farther in. Chain was going this way, and now our boat is shifting, which means it's set, and now we're being pulled with the current the correct way. It is set. Yeah. Our friends are passing by, and they called. They said, "Do you have any beer?" Like, we can spare 2, and they're like, all right, we're gonna swing by and grab them. So they're literally just coming by and grabbing a couple beers, and then I don't know. Ridiculous. I mean, how are we doing this?
I don't know.
Oh my God, has she got a winter hat on? I'm loving their hats.
Yeah. How's the Boy Scouts though?
I thought he had beer, he emptied it. I didn't bring mine.
Otherwise you never would have gone on a trip. I get it. I do the same thing.
Well, these will do you real good. They're 8%. All right. Don't let them go to waste. One at a time.
You ever play ball?
I got it.
Greatest beer run ever!
All right. Good luck.
Woo!
Thank you.
See ya.
She is so bundled up. I love it.
But a big part of that is like prep. So you gotta prep the players for that pressure. That's where I think maybe Kirby's smart, but he might be messing up. He's a good coach, might be the best in the country right now.
Has decided that when we're on anchor that he's gonna just go to bed. This is something new he's been doing, and this is the 3rd time anchoring that he's done it. He literally goes into the aft cabin and just climbs in there and goes to bed, and the whole time we're on anchor he pretty much stays in there now. He will come out and visit, like, you know, every couple hours, but for the most part he goes to bed for the day. I don't know if it's because he's relaxed because of the rocking of the boat, or if he doesn't want to feel the rocking and he feels like that's the best place to go. But that's his new thing. Keeps him out of the sun, so good. Right, Chris?
That's right. Sure is.
He has no idea what I was talking about.
I'm on her side all the time.
I swear I didn't torture him to say that.
I'll get over it.
I did not torture you.
Yes, no. No, you did not. No torture.
Well, at least this time he's not mouthing the words "help me" after I stop looking. Oh my God, he is.
Just like we saw in Knoxville. Womack in to replace Cam Franklin, the starting defensive end.
So that's what I need to do. I need to get you gooned and then put you on camera. Please make sure you like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more. It really helps us out.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.